Hey everybody, it's Mike from Mike's 50. I'm just getting back to you about the whole intake and tune thing I did. I returned the stuff to Burger Motorsports because I didn't like the way it performed. It didn't perform much different, and honestly didn't do anything. So, and of course the air intake didn't even fit. So I returned all that, and of course, you know, the Burger Tune people, they're not very nice people to work with because they charge you 20% restocking fee, and you have to pay to ship everything back to them on your own dime. So I'm out $140 because of their screw up. Their stuff is junk. So I went online and I got this Racechip. Okay, this thing's going to give me like 87 horse and 80 something horse, 82 torque. Yeah, I think it's 82 extra torque. So, and look at how this came packaged. A nice box. Everything is nice, nicely packaged, right? So it didn't come in the U.S. mail in a little manila envelope like my other thing did. Got all your wiring harness in here. And then, oh, what do you have down there? Directions. Huh. That's amazing. Actual directions on how to install their product. Isn't that something? And look, on the bottom, there's a warranty. Isn't that nice? When we go in here, and you don't even have to be that intelligent to figure this out, because they're going to show you step by step how to do it. Take the cover off. They show you highlighted where the connections are. Very simple. You know, pretty good. I'm happy with it so far. We'll see how well it works, but I mean, at least you can see they know what they're doing. So we'll see. And I'm not going to do an install video here. I'm just going to install it, and then I'll take it for some runs and tell you what it looks like, what we're getting. So. Alright, but that's the update for now, and I'll put some driving stuff in this video, I hope. I hope everything goes well, but we'll see. Alright. Hey, this is Mike from Mike's 50 again. I'm putting in my Racechip GTS Black that I got for my car. It's supposed to give me a lot more horsepower. I wasn't going to do an install video but I went online this weekend to look for an install video and nobody has one. So I'm going to show you what has to go where if you get the one I have. Okay, so I got on this harness, there is an A wire and a B wire and a C wire. See, C wire. Okay, all the directions, all the videos online all do A wire and B wire and then the end of it. So I had to get in touch with the company, and then they sent me some more pictures today. So now I'm going to install it. Now this is the C wire. Here's the A wire right here. Okay. Here's the B wire back here. This is the manifold sensor, and then the one in the front is the camshaft sensor. Now I have to just go on and see exactly which one that is. Camshaft sensor, and that looks like that is this one right here. This should be the camshaft sensor. Okay, so I will hook all this up and then I will get back to you. So we got A sensor, which is for the, let's see, which is the A sensor for? Turbo pressure sensor. Turbo pressure sensor. Manifold sensor and camshaft sensor. That's what we got to do. It's A, B, and C. A goes to the turbo sensor, B goes to the manifold sensor, and C goes to the camshaft sensor. So I'm going to hook it all up and then I'll show it to you again. Okay, so we have a wire hooked up to the turbo sensor, and then turbo sensor plug gets plugged into the female over here, and then we have B wire is hooked up to the manifold sensor back here, and then it's hooked up to their connector, and then the camshaft sensor right here is all hooked up, and then hooked up the factory one into their end here. So now I have to find a place to put the box, which I think is going to go back here. I'm not really sure. I have to see if it fits. But and then I have to zip tie all the wires down, you know, tuck them in place and zip tie them. That's what tells you the direction. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll get it all buttoned up, and then we'll see what it does. Okay, I had to rewire everything. I had the computer over here. I had to put it over here because there was no room for the cover to go back on. Then I rewired everything over underneath these tubes. We tried to put the wires underneath everything, underneath these sensors here, because if you look at the back side of this, it's all channeled out like they molded it. So it's a real pain in the neck. Good luck to anybody that does it. But we're going to see what this thing does soon. I'm going to do a cold start. Not really cold because I just got back from Albany, but I'll start it up. See what it sounds like. Nice and quiet. But in sport mode now with the new setup. See if it sounds any different. I'll tell you what though, it rides incredible. It's got so much torque, it's insane. I'll show you the app that they give you with the Racechip. They don't give it to you, but see right now it's doing a warm-up. You can't do anything with it, but you could skip it. And then you can put it in race mode. Sport mode. Eco. But it goes automatically into sport mode every time you start the car. It's always in sport mode. So the only thing that I didn't realize it was going to do is because this works off of Bluetooth, it bumps me out of my stereo, so I can't run my phone through my stereo anymore. Like I can't have phone conversations hands-free. I have to use my cell phone. So that's a big bummer right there. But I'll live with it. It's no big deal. I like the power it's got. It's pretty nice. And I'm going to do a video of driving it through the mountains, and we'll see how that comes out. And then I'm going to do a 1-year ownership video. Talk about the things I don't like and the things I like about the car. So, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.